Evening, tita.
Hi!
Okay, show me.
Edit. Bonfire. Ano, kain tayo? That's it. One na.
Now soup.
Ano ko lang ang ano na? Ito, chocolate.
Oh, perfect. Oh. Anong tawag niyo dyan? Bonfire? Small bonfire.
It's too yummy. Oh my God!
Anong nangyari kay Merlinda?
Ito naman biscuit. Smell panos. Napanuos.
Rachel, we're green from now, right? Huh? It's green,
Pero ang
right?
sarap naman.
Yeah.
But that's
Diba?
everything is open.
Yeah. Right, Rachel?
But it's
But-
still there's marks, right?
Still COVID.
Oh my God.
Dry cake.
So good.
2 more days. Oh.
It's too yummy.
So
Thank you
literally,
guys for having this.
Saturday?
It's so delicious
Friday
and so
morning.
yummy.
You're welcome, tita.
So yummy.
Oh, I think
I
Saturday.
love it.
Saturday.